4x4 shop. Today we install our Android screens, 12-inch Android screen in a Mercedes GLE, and that's with the Mercedes menu. And these units, they come with USB SD card and HDMI to play videos, and also we do have the HDMI splitter to be able, if you want to connect your game console and see it on both screens, you can share the screens with that HDMI splitter. Basically, that's the input from game console, let's say PlayStation, and there is two outputs here that they can go individually to each headrest. The screens are fully touch. Apps are here, and also media player is here, so you can play videos or songs or any other multimedia. Setting is here. You can connect to Wi-Fi, turn on your hotspot, connect to Wi-Fi, and those are the video inputs. Games are here. If you're interested to get this type of headrests, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.